Strips are zero coupon bonds. As opposed to T-bills, notes, and bonds, they are not sold directly by the Department of the Treasury, but rather they are created by brokerage houses. The process is a bit complex and not very important for our purposes. The rough idea is that these brokerage houses buy notes or bonds and strip the coupons and principal. For example, if a brokerage house buys a 30-year bond, it can create 61 different securities, 60 of them based on the semi-annual coupons and one based on the principal. Strips, as I said, are zero coupon bonds. That is, they pay no coupons and at maturity pay the face value. Let's compute the yield of a strip with a price of P and maturity T years from now. The yield of this strip, which we denote by Y sub T, to make clear that we are deriving this yield from the strip with maturity of T years, is given by the solution to the following equation. Since strips have only one payment, solving for the yield is relatively easy. This equation can be rearranged and solved for Y sub T as follows. Let's do a quick example. Calculate the yield to maturity of a strip with maturity of 5 years that is currently trading at $94.38. To find the yield, note that in this example P is 94.38 and T is 5. Plug these values into the equation and you obtain that the yield is 1.16%. Recall what this 1.16% means. It is the annual return you get if you buy the strip at 94.38 and wait 5 years to receive the face value of 100. Let me emphasize that the yield is the annual return and not the total cumulative return over the 5 years.